Okay, so you can see the constant term is -1 and the coefficient of y cube is 2. So in the earlier question, coefficient of highest degree is 1. But here the coefficient of highest degree is not 1. Here it is 2. So we have to find factors of -1 upon 2. So how we will be finding out whatever is the constant term that we will be dividing with the coefficient of the highest degree. So the coefficient of the highest degree is 2. So we have to find, this is called rational root. So we have to find the factors of -1 by 2. Factors of -1 by 2 is plus minus 1. You can say -1 by 2. So let's try hit and trial method. I am applying it by putting y is equal to -1. So in place of y, I am substituting -1. And I am finding the value of polynomial.
Ma'am, it's 0.
Yeah, so it comes out to be 0. You can see on the screen it is coming out to be 0. See, we got our first factor. So how can we write it? So first factor is y plus 1. Now we will be following the same method. So we have to divide 2y cube, that whole polynomial, by y plus 1. Can you please tell me the value of polynomial?
2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1.
Thank you, Leona. So if I want to get 2y cube, so I have to multiply y by 2y square.
Ma'am, can you show the last page?
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
So if I multiply it by 2y square, then it becomes 2y cube plus 2y square. Now subtract. So this 2y cube minus 2y cube is 0. Y square minus 2y square is minus y square minus 2y. I am writing the next term. So if I multiply it by minus y, then it becomes minus y square minus y. So now subtract it. So you are getting minus y minus 1. So I have to multiply it by minus 1. So it becomes minus y minus 1. Now subtract it. So you are getting 0 in the remainder. So we got the quadratic polynomial that will give you the two remaining factors. So I will be applying splitting of middle term. So you can see a into b is minus 2 and a plus b is minus 1. Okay, so what should I take? If I take minus 2 into 1, then minus 2 into 1 is minus 2 and minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So I will be splitting the middle term. Minus 2y plus y minus 1. So from the first two term, I am taking 2y as common, then remains y minus 1. And from the last two term, I am taking 1 as a common. So what finally I am getting 2y plus 1 and y minus 1. So I got all the three factors with me. So I can write the final answer as y plus 1, 2y plus 1, and y minus 1. So see how you need to factorize. First thing is hit and trial method. So to get one factor, after getting one factor, you have to apply long division method and get the quotient. Quotient will be quadratic. Then you need to apply the splitting of middle term method and you will get other two factors. So let me tell you about my YouTube channel and I am happy to announce that we have started with our digital website. So it was launched. So the address of our website is www.leadreaddigital.com. So whenever you go to that website, let me show how to do this thing. Just a minute. I'm sharing my screen. You can see how you need to use the YouTube channel system. So like you will go to your browser and just write the address www.leadreaddigital.com. Then you will click it up. Okay. Then on the topmost corner, you can see this is Facebook, this is YouTube. So when you click on YouTube, you will be able to see all the videos. Okay, so subscribe my channel and you can see all the videos at your convenience. Like if you go, this is my view, your view might be different. So like if I explore your videos, just a minute. So let me go to, okay, so this is, let me go to playlist. Okay, so if you want to explore class 9th math, you can see there are 5 videos uploaded. So whatever is you want to see, you can just go through and see. Number system, you can just revise whatever we have done in the class. Okay, so you can subscribe to the channel and you can see all the videos which we done, which all the classes videos recorded there. Okay, so let's return back. So this completes our exercise. Let's start the new exercise that is based on algebraic identity. So first 4 identity we already know from our class 8. So I'm just recalling them. X plus y whole square is given by x square plus 2xy plus y square. And identity number 2 is x minus y whole square. Then it is x square minus 2xy plus y square. Identity number 3 is x square minus y square. So that is x plus y, x minus y. And last identity is x plus a and x plus b. That is x square plus a plus bx plus ab. So I'm hoping this identity you all know.
Yes, ma'am.
So please
Yes,
write
ma'am.
it in your copy, then we will start the examples based on them. So let's say we start with x plus 3 and x plus 3. So you can see x plus 3 and x plus 3. What does it mean? X plus 3 whole square. So we have to use the identity number 1. So if I use identity number 1, then it is x square plus 2xy. So what is x here? X is x y is 3. So 2 into 3 is 6x. And what is y square? Y square is 3 square, that is 9. So what you need to write in your exam, so x plus 3 first step, you should write x plus 3 whole square. Then after that, you should write using identity 1. What is identity 1? That you need to write x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. And you should also write here y is equal to 3. हमारे केस में y की वैल्यू it is 3. Then you should write x square. Therefore, x plus 3 whole square therefore x plus 3 whole square is equal to x square plus 6x plus 9.
Ma'am, this is also the same identity in 8th.
Yeah. So this is just a revision. 9th has too many identities. So this is just simple 4. Then I will be giving you difficult ones also. So is this chapter completed in your school? What do you say, Leona and rest of the ISL students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You have done identities also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So can I erase that and move to the second part?
Ma'am, wait a second.
Okay. Okay. So let's start with the second part. Second part is x minus 3 and x plus 5. Okay, so here which identity we need to use?
X minus y square.
No, that is not correct, Leona. See, we do have different things in both the bracket. If
Ma'am, x plus y and x minus y.
no, that is incorrect. So see, here we do have different things associated with x. You can see it is x minus 3 and x plus 5. So we need to use identity number 4. X is associated with A and X is associated with different value of B. So which identity you will be using here? You should write using identity number 4. Okay, now you will be writing the identity. What is identity number 4? X plus A into X plus B, that is equal to x square plus A plus B into X plus AB. Okay, so when you compare A, what is the value of A here in our case?
X.
A, I am asking.
3.
Minus 3. A is minus 3. Okay, and what is the value of B?
Plus 5.
Plus 5. You are correct. So we can write therefore x minus 3 into x plus 5, it is equal to x square. And now what I have to write? A plus B. So what is A plus B? Minus 3 plus 5 into x plus A into B. So what is A into B? Minus 3 into 5. So when you solve this whole, what you will get? X square minus 3 plus 5 is 2 plus 2. So plus 2x, and minus 3 into 5 is minus 15. So this is the final answer. So see, I have used the identity number 4. I have find out the value of A and B and substituted the value of A and B to get the final answer. You can just take a screenshot if you have understood it. And
Yes,
you
ma'am,
can,
understood.
Ma'am, written.
yeah, and you can refer my channel. You can just see the video. Okay, so let's try 105 into 106 without multiplying directly. So see, the question is very easy. How it is easy? We will be breaking 105 into 100 plus 5, and I will be breaking 106 into 100 plus 6. So what is this identity? Is it similar to anyone?
Fourth identity.
You are correct, Leona. Very good. So we will be writing by using identity 4. So what is identity number 4? X plus A into X plus B, that is equal to X square plus A plus B X plus AB. Okay, so what is X here? Anyone?
100.
You are correct. X is 100. What is A here?
5.
You are correct. A is 5. What is B?
6.
6. Very good. So now I need to substitute each and every value. Like if I substitute in place of x square, if I substitute 100 square plus 5 plus 6 into 100 plus 5 into 6. Okay, so when I square 100, then I am getting 10,000 plus 5 plus 6 is 11 into 100, that is 1100 plus 5 into 6 is 30. So when you do each and every calculation, so you will be getting 11130. Yeah. Yes. Please. So x plus 4 and x plus 10.
And fourth identity.
You are correct, Leona. So here we need to use fourth identity. Excellent. X plus 4 and x plus 10. So you should write by using fourth identity. So what is the fourth identity? X plus A into x plus B, it is equal to x square plus A plus B into x plus AB. So what is the value of x here? X is x. What is A? Ayan?
4.
Ayan, what is the value of B? Ayan,
Ma'am, can I tell?
yes, Divyansh, you tell.
Ma'am, the value of B is 10.
You are correct. Value of B is 10. Okay. So what should I write? I should write x square plus a plus b, that is 14, x,
Ma'am, 4 into 10, which is 40.
correct. So this is the final answer, x square plus 14x plus 40.
So, ma'am, the second one is also the same identity.
Correct. You are correct. So in the second one also we need to use fourth identity, but I need answer from either from Dhanvi or from Ayan.
Okay.
And the second one will be fourth identity only.
Yeah, it is fourth identity. You are correct.
The A will be 8 and B will be minus 10.
It is correct, Dhanvi. So is it completed, Dhanvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do tell me what is the final answer.
And my final answer is coming x square minus 2x minus 18.
You are absolutely correct.
Ma'am,
Very
same
good.
answer is coming.
Correct. So 8 minus 10 is minus 2x and 8 into minus 10 is minus 80. Excellent. Okay. So third part, I am assigning it to Ayan. Ayan, are you ready for the third part?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So please do. Take your time. So which identity have you identified?
The fourth one.
You are correct. So again, we need to use the fourth identity. Okay, Ayan, please tell.
Ma'am, the final answer is 9x square minus x minus 20.
9x square minus x minus 20. Absolutely correct. Very good. So can you tell me what is x here?
Ma'am, x will be 3x.
Correct. What is a,
Ma'am, 4.
b?
Ma'am, minus 5.
You are correct. So if I substitute the value of x as 3x square plus 4 minus 5 into 3x. अच्छा अच्छा थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ हो गया था. Second term is yours
So
wrong.
there should be 3x.
Second, हाँ second term थोड़ा wrong हो गया था. Okay. Plus if you substitute a into b, that is 4 into minus 5. So when we just solve everything, then 9x square and it is minus 3x, not x, and minus 20. Rest of the terms are okay. तो वहां पे x की वैल्यू हमें 3x लेना है. If we compare this two, then we are getting it.
Okay.
So I'm just breaking this meeting and then connecting again.